Godfrey, on-site wastewater professionals, coming to you from Indianapolis at the Wet Show 2025, and I'm here with Jessica with Avanti International. What do you guys do?
So Avanti is a chemical grout or injection grout manufacturer. Our products are used for groundwater control, soil stabilization. We have a gamut of different products, but they do different things. Some, like you can see here,
Sure.
Rapid expansion, some that stay flexible, some that are rigid. So that's all we do.
So we've got an issue in our industry. We have existing concrete tanks, precast concrete tanks, where there traditionally was no inlet boot. So we have a rigid, grouted concrete connection that over time breaks away, and we get inflow of groundwater. We need a malleable, flexible seal that's going to keep groundwater out of my tanks.
Okay.
What do you guys have that might be able to help our industry?
Okay, sure. So we have a product here that's called AV202 Multi-Grout. It's a water-activated grout. It's used a lot in instances just like you're talking about at a pipe penetration, whether that seal over time has gone away, it's faulty, you either got active water infiltration or not. I'll show you a quick
Demo of the product?
Demo of the product just to show you. So Multi-Grout is just, like I said, it's a water-activated. Usually at about a 1-to-1. I'm just going to eyeball it because we're at a trade show and not, you know. So you can see this little bit of material. We'll eyeball 1-to-1 of water to it. You'll see that it'll start to turn like a milky white. This product's great because it doesn't have to be a set 1-to-1. It could go up to a 10-to-1.
A little forgiving, right?
Yeah, very much
good.
why it's called multi-grout. So you'll see here, I'll start, this mimics just having water flow. Obviously you're not going to be doing this in real life, right? So you can see that it's starting to turn kind of like a milky color. It's temperature sensitive. This water's a little cold since we're in Indy, so the reaction may take a minute. But this one is used a lot with what you see here. It's called oakum.
So we would take something like this as a filler. Yeah. We would submerge it or soak it in this product.
Yes.
And then we would introduce it to water, get it wet, and then pack it into our opening, our annular space around that pipe, and then we're going to get some serious expansion. What kind of expansion do we expect?
The expansion with this is somewhere between 400% and 600% of what was it. You can see, right? That was that much product, and now it's already coming up.
Very good.
So it's about that. But when you use it with oakum is used as a backing material for what you just said. You've got an inch around annulus space, bigger or smaller. This is used as a backing material. So you would soak this in a grout, and if you have active water flow, just shove it right in.
So even with active water flow, this would still stop it?
Absolutely. Active water flow is the best. If you don't have active water flow, that's okay. You can either pre-soak it, spray it down with water. It just needs that little bit of reaction to take off.
Make it go. And we can see it's really swelling. When it is finished, it's still going to maintain a very flexible, malleable condition. So in the wintertime, as things move and settle, we're going to maintain a seal on that connection.
And you can see here it's got good adhesion. So this now, it's a flexible material.
Very good.
Yeah.
Jessica, how could our folks find you guys and get more information on this product?
Absolutely. So you can find us online, AvantiGrout, GROUT.com. We're active on LinkedIn. We're active at trade shows all over the place. We do all sorts of training online, in person. So that's where you can find us.
Great stuff. Thanks for taking a second to talk to me.
Thank you.
Enjoy the show.
Of course.